Hey, good morning. Today is Monday, so it's day 3, and then I already started working. So I had to go to Home Depot and get some shipment for Andreo that we received last week. So as you can see, baby box is full of stuff, lumber and everything. So I'm done. I cut the grass last night, finished everything. I put some water in the buffalo because we were getting out, and there's a little leak, but it's not too bad. As you can see, I cut this. I'm gonna have to cut those 10-10 tree, but right now it's like this, right? There's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, but anyway, so that's how it goes. So the tough part is always to unload everything. All right, I'll be loading Andreo's stuff inside this container. There's no stairs. When there's no stairs, it's not fun. One of 5. All right, so I started doing spray foam. Oh, I have to show you which one I'm using this time. I'm using a smaller one. Let's see if we can see here. Thermosound Insulation Sprayman. It's like a turtle logo. So I'm using that with the sprayer that comes with the kit. So let me show you. So I did the 2 corner on the side of the container, on each side. Now I need to go to the back. The side is okay. It's easy because there's no trees or anything. So as you can see, it works pretty well. I have to put a little bit more on top, but I'll do it later when I do the back. So let me show you the other side. So I decided to start parking my car here in the back because it's in the shade. So look, it does expand like crazy. I didn't know how it would expand, so I just put a lot, but I'm gonna have to cut it with a saw, a manual saw. Just cut the part so I can put 1x6 horizontal, like 1x6 all the way up, and then that's gonna be it. So now I need to do the back. There you go. Here's where the septic is. So as you can see, I have to do this side here and then move the ladder and do this side here, and then after it's done I'll let it dry I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna put the plank in between. So yeah, that's what I will do. I had a problem working alone is difficult sometimes, but I will try my best. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. There you go. I don't know if you'll see it, but anyway, we'll see. Drill. Lower. Right, it's not done yet, so let me try again. So I'm gonna start framing the siding, the side of the corner. Let me show you. two at a time, and slowly. All right, so I'm done with that corner. Took me, I don't know, 2 hours maybe to do this. The corner. It's not very straight there, but I'm gonna put like another, like a 1x2 or something. But eventually here it's gonna be covered anyway, so with other planks like the other side, so it doesn't really matter. It's just the base. So yeah, that's it. Now I need to do the other side. I spray foam. I had to cut the spray foam because it was too big, so I cut it very flush. Now I can start doing the corner here as well. Alright, it's about 7 p.m. and I'm done on this side too. So it took a long time. Probably not 7, I have to check. I think it's 6 p.m. But there we go. I don't know if you see. It's difficult to see with the tree here. But yeah, that's it. How it looks like from the side. Don't really see much because of the tree, but it looks good. It looks good. Let's go get some natural water. It's good. All right, so it's 7:30 p.m. I know earlier I said I finished the siding, but it was actually 4:30 p.m. Now it's 7:30 p.m. I'm gonna start doing like a bunk bed right here in the corner. It's gonna go all the way 8 feet high, and the bottom, the idea is the top will have a single bed and the bottom will have like a king size, so we can bring like, it's going to be two double bed. Bottom line, the bottom line, the bottom bed, so I can slide it, and on top it's going to be so we can sleep 3 people. And with the bed, I did the Murphy bed last time, yesterday, or it's a double bed, so it's 2, so technically we can sleep 5 people here. And then yeah, with mattresses. All right, so it's about 10 p.m. so I'm gonna stop cutting wood, but here's what I start doing. The first layer, the mattress is pretty big because it's an 8 inch, but I'll have a 6 inch mattress.